first day of June. July, same days. You think they're together?
Alright, welcome to Planet Hollywood.
Security to our left, or to our right.
Gordon Ramsay Burger, that's where
Yep. Oh no, there's the extra lounge. You have to be very extra in there. So guys, today our video might be a little faster than usual. We might have just charged only one battery, so. But you know.
we're gonna try to get everything.
Yeah, we'll try.
So here's the burger on the other side where everybody's eating instead of lined up for bacon.
Yep. And there's Starbucks. They're gonna lose. They always do.
They're winning right now.
They are?
I don't know, I can't see the score, it's really little.
There's Raging Buffalo and PF Chang's. Here's yeah. So this way. I've lost my mother. Find me, mother. There she is.
Alright, yeah, like people cut me off. They have a PF Chang's over here. This little, these are rewards.
Yep.
You get your rewards card.
I thought you said they were something else now.
They got bought out by, what was it, Eldorado? So who knows what that holds for Caesars.
I never thought I would see it again.
Aw, they used to be at the ribs.
Yep.
Crazy girls.
It's kind of weird people. Yeah.
Alrighty.
They have this bike 2 times now.
Here's YOLO.
Yep.
Grill. Pleasure pit. Ooh. Fancy.
A lot of smokers tonight.
Looks like a poker tournament right here.
No
There's a lot of
kidding.
people playing, huh?
Um,
Well, there's the sports book.
yep. That's not as big as Westgate, but still pretty cool.
Yeah.
Smells like
Any burger,
cheese.
fries, and draft beer for $17. That's not a bad deal.
17?
For casino pricing? Yeah, that's not too bad. Are the Reds winning? Can you see that part?
Nope, they're losing. 8-5.
Alright, this takes us back to the Miracle Mile shop.
Yes.
Earl of Sandwich.
Bring back My Name is Earl.
Oh, so tonight I have to put $50 on flat
Yep.
from our live stream. Everyone, thank you for the donation. I like that piggy banking.
Not as good as Timberwolf.
Oh, geez, you and your Timberwolf. What's this up here?
Tickets.
that's the cashier.
Cashier. I mean, somewhat tickets.
High limit.
A limit.
High limits in there. Table games. Right.
Anyways. Yep.
Safe off.
Yeah.
There's a lot of people in here tonight for a Monday night.
Yeah, a lot of smokers. Goodness gracious.
Right? I feel like there's like
High limit slots. Nobody's at the Heart Grill.
Oh, there's 10. Wow, they're winning.
Heart Bar, Heart Grill. Where are we going?
I don't know. Gonna go down there?
What's down there?
I don't know. Kind of cool looking. So they have express check in or out down here, and then the registration, dining registration down here.
Another bike. They don't even have a door.
Alright, so here's where Uber pickup and drop.
There's Scarbutts.
You said Starbucks. That's its new name.
Starbucks?
Christina Aguilera.
Man, that's kind of scary.
Gwen Stefani. Yeah, someone posted in our Westgate video because you said something about the scary cream. He said they put something on you afterwards after you decline it because they only do one side of your face.
Yeah.
And then they'll say, all right, well, let me do the other, let me put stuff on as a clear off, and it leaves white under your eye, so you're walking around with one eye and it has the white under it. The pool's up this way, I think. All right, so here's everything that Planet Hollywood has to offer. Awesome.
We'll just stand here with our creepy faces.
Anyway, will you do this with me one day? Surf the strip?
Sure.
It's like you're on a surfboard.
Yeah.
I hope people are up there doing it. It's really cool.
I hope I don't fall.
My son did that flow rider.
Is it fun?
He had a lot of fun.
Oh yeah, it looks exhausting though.
It's $25, but he only had 4 people in his group, so it went pretty fast. But you take turns.
Yeah.
But it's up to 7, so.
Pool entrance. Wow, look at this pool.
Oh my gosh, it's so hot up here.
It is extremely hot.
Pool entrance.
Wah, wah. It's 7:20, mother.
Was it closed?
It's closed.
Oh, we should have went in.
So this is what the pool looks like, guys. There you go.
It's closed. We're 20 minutes too late.
Yep. Poker thing? What is this?
I think they have a poker tournament going on right now.
Heh. How many bikes are we up to? On the comments.
Here's Angel Mind Freak.
Oh, we're by Mind Freak.
Oh yeah.
And the strip house with steak and cocktails.
Returns Wednesday, July 10th. It must be off for a while.
Yep. How many bikes are we up to now?
Aladdin, Planet Hollywood. Oh yeah, Planet Hollywood used to be Aladdin.
Man, that's a Honda. Holy crap, you're gonna crash, you're dead.
What?
Look at them spikes. You crash, boom, you're dead.
What about the little thing on there?
Is that like the shifter? Oh look, there's Buddha.
Yeah.
Oh, how many bikes are we up to?
I don't know.
I don't know. Have you used them
They're
all?
all like Chris Angel.
Yep. I just want to hear Chris Angel go, Mind Freak. Yeah.
Three chopper. Look how cool this is.
Yep. You guys want to see table games? There you go.
Craps are all together. It looks like all the poker and roulette is over there. So we're gonna go do a quick tour of that. Hopefully we have enough battery to get us through.
Yep. There's the pleasure pit.
Again, they have Gwen Stefani. They have Mind Freak, Chris Angel. Looks like Death Leopard right there. Pinners of Rock over the top there.
Yep.
And
And
Christina Aguilera's here. Goliath Phantom Poker Series is going on.
huh.
How many rooms, Paul?
How many rooms? I'm gonna guess that there's.
You cheater. 2,567.
Yep, I guessed it.
It was built in 2000, so almost 19 years old. August of.
Oh gosh.
What?
He is creepy looking.
Chris Angel?
Like insanely creepy looking. Let's get away from
His
that.
name, Tally Ho.
Tally ho, let's go.
Brown Tally Ho. You're gonna learn it.
Yep.
Alright, let's go down and check out some table games.
Yes.
Oh, I gotta go do 50 on black, huh? Let It Ride Poker is $10. This is Ultimate Texas Hold'em Progressive. $10 minimum. $10 minimum. 3-card poker.
$5 minimum.
$5 minimum, but nobody says. High card flush is $10 minimum.
Now we're going this way.
This roulette is minimum bet $2. Is that what it said?
I don't know.
It said over the top. Oh, max bet was 200. I didn't see the minimum. This wheel game, minimum $2. $25 minimum. Blazing blackjack 7. This blackjack, $25 minimum bet. $10 blazing 7 minimum. $15 minimum. Roulette is $15 minimum there. Where's just a regular blackjack?
It's here.
Right down here?
No, No, she's right there with it.
For poker is $5 minimum. This roulette's $15 minimum as well. High gown poker, $25 minimum. And I didn't see regular blackjack, did you?
Yeah, I did.
What was it?
There's one table, I don't know. Eggs, Upland. Next one, eggs.
More breakfast.
Whoa.
Why don't you just go to dinner? Late night? Oh, it's 12 a.m. to 6 a.m. Or at this time.
Still can get the chicken thingy.
Oh, that's cute. Look at these milkshakes, though. That's
If we
mad.
go here, I'm getting that one.
Alright, let's go check out the buffet. See if maybe you want to go there.
Yes.
Spice Market Buffet.
Ooh.
Say flowers.
Slot world party time, shake and bake.
Alright, do you want to eat here?
How much is it?
26 per person.
Do you want to get do our bet and see if we can pay with it?
Yeah, good thinking.
Yep.
So it's $26. We're gonna go put our 50 on black, and hopefully we double our money so we can eat that.
That was the creepy version. Gave me nightmares. Here's our $50.
$50 bet on
Yes.
black. Here we go.
Okay, we got this.
Oh, here's the craps table that we're walking past. Though.
Is that what you're doing?
No, we're going to roulette black.
Huh. Man.
$15 minimum.
And your son. Right on. We watch you guys all the time, man.
We appreciate you.
From Canada.
From Canada. We love it.
Right on, we met Miss Blondie.
Have a good day.
We lost
Man,
$50.
that's tough, Mom.
21 hits. Sorry, guys. We tried.
This ground's trippy.
Do you want to go walk around and find out Miracle Mile and we'll eat somewhere there? Or do you want to do the buffet here?
We'll do that. We'll see if there's anything cool there. Wheel of Fortune.
Good luck.
Good luck. You got this, bud. Let's see what he gets. 1,000. Oh, just a little too fast. 150. I kind of wanted to start screaming like, holy crap! But, yeah. This is the Miracle Shops. There's Tipsy Robot.
Oh, this is the robot bar.
It is? There's robots?
Yeah, you lift them up.
Let's see. What the fluff nuggets? Is it going?
I don't know. Ooh, fancy exact cord.
Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A.
Wait, what?
On Sin City? What? Coming late. What's it look like in there, guys? Tell me what it looked like.
I bet it's gonna look like a Chick-fil-A.
Oh, that's where Peanut Pizza used to be.
Is it not open anymore?
I don't think so.
Go see.
Yep, they're humongous.
That's crazy. So a slice with not beer is $13.50.
Cool.
$6.50, but it's like the whole pizza. It is massive. Holy moly, it's hot out here.
It's not that hot.
Hey everyone, thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed our video of the Planet Hollywood Hotel and Casino. Peace out, Vegas. We love you.